Hello everyone, my name is Alex and welcome back to another episode of DeFi 101. Today's topic is AAVE, which is basically an open source DeFi lending and borrowing protocol where you can also earn some interest on your coins which you already have, and you can use some of your coins that you already have as collateral to borrow other coins, which you could technically use to do something like leverage or short a coin without actually using an actual exchange and just DeFi. AAVE has a really nice feature, which is that it's also Polygon compatible, which means we're going to switch from the Ethereum network to the Polygon network because it has much cheaper fees. And as you maybe know, the current Ethereum fees are just ridiculous, and Polygon is a nice way around them, not really dodging them, but kind of not paying them, or just once paying them. So I'm actually going to show you, this is the main site of AAVE, where you can see what the AAVE protocol is, how it looks, and basically also, yeah, some partners and something like that. But as you can see, the Polygon important coins like Matic and something like that, you can see they're all also available in AAVE. And if you actually go into the markets, I can show you how it looks if you go further. If you select a token, I'm going to select Matic, as you can see. You can see a lot of statistics like the variable APY, the deposit APY, the illustration rate, something like that. And basically all the statistics of how much is borrowed, how much is lended, all the important statistics, but you can also deposit on some tokens, which I'm actually going to do for once. I'm going to show you how it looks if you go through a transaction. I'm going to deposit 5 Matic. Here you can also see the utilization rate, liquidity, and the APY, which is basically a very important number, but also liquidation threshold and the penalty for liquidation. So don't get liquidated, take risks, but take them responsible. Risk taking is nothing bad, but irresponsible risk taking is very bad. So don't do it. I am not a financial advisor, just don't do it. It's not healthy for your money. But I'm actually going to click continue and we see more statistics, because statistics are always great and make you feel like you're actually doing something very, very complicated when you're not. It's the back end of it is very, very complicated, but you you don't really need all the information. Just don't get liquidated, and APY is what you're going to get. So I'm going to click deposit, which is going to open a MetaMask window, which I'm pretty sure you can't see because it's not recording the MetaMask window. But there you can set the gas fee, which I'm going to leave at the standard, which is in my case it's 0.000871 Matic, which is very little. It's an insignificant amount, and as you can see, it's going through and it's pending. The transaction is confirmed and success. It worked. Great. So now you can check the dashboard and you can see I have now a deposited amount. And if you ever go on my dashboard, which you can basically see if you enter the AAVE app, and from within you can always open the dashboard. Exactly, it worked. You could withdraw the money you've put in, you could swap it, you could do very interesting things, and you could also claim your rewards, which is very nice because I'm now generating interest on my Matic tokens, which I own and don't plan to sell anytime soon. So I'm going to lock 5 of my 10 Matic tokens away, and not going to touch them, but they're still going to make interest for me. They're still going to make interest for me. Regardless of how the market goes, if it goes up, I get Matic tokens. If it goes down, I still get Matic tokens. And I think I also get AAVE tokens because I am using their systems. I'm pretty sure there's a reward for using AAVE. Yes, so that's basically how you use AAVE, and you could also borrow, which I'm not going to do, but I can show you how it would look like. You can select it on your safety factor and basically borrow, which if I would use my Matic token to borrow more Matic tokens, that would basically be a multiplier on how much the cost changes of the token. So you could use that as a form of riskier investment, of leveraging. I was looking for that word. You can use it as a leverage to increase your exposure to the markets, but I wouldn't recommend that, especially if you're new. If you're experienced, you can definitely do it. At my experience level, I'm not going to do it, but maybe in the future it's something very, very great. Another thing I'm going to show you about Aave is the governance, which is very, very cool because you can, if you have enough Aave tokens staked, which you can also do, you can actually vote in their process and basically have a right to vote in the Aave network, and you can vote on all their interesting new ideas. So okay, that's it for this episode of DeFi 101. The next video is going to be very interesting because we're going to switch wallets also, and I'm going to show you the Cosmos blockchain and also Osmosis, which is a decentralized exchange which you can use on Cosmos, which is very interesting, but the interesting parts I'm going to explain in the next video, so hopefully see you there.